Okay, my next question would be again with the sweeper. Like, how would you like configure a sweeper component to enable a smooth sliding, like in free mode, while also like implementing like autoplay with like some delay within a
Mhm.
slides? And could you just walk me through like your setup and any consideration of for like optimizing user experience?
Yeah, so when initially, like as I already talked about the featured product section. So initially, the featured product section had a very minimal design. It had, I think, if I remember correctly, 5 slides per view. That means there was 5 slides, and we had custom navigation buttons, which I already explained how I added those. Then, like the UI is done, but with the UI design, like the Figma design, it didn't give me any kind of animations or how it had to how the animation should work or how the swiper should work. So I use those based on my preference, or sometimes if our project manager or senior developer how they expects, or how the user expects, we have to add those animation based on that. So in this case, I could I had my free will. That means I could make them as user friendly as possible. So what I did is I go to Swiper documentation, and they have different kinds of effects and different kind of modules. So I go through them, and if I find something suitable for the project, that means these effect might be suitable, because I do not want to add something very extravagant, so the user experience is actually ruined. So I try to add simple animations or maybe some smooth behavior. For example, I would add a autoplay, so the user doesn't even have to swipe with the next button and the previous button, maybe with a 3000 millisecond delay. And then I will also add the free mode. That means whenever the user swipes, it is more smooth. And Swiper has some other animation effects and other things. So based on the project and the how do I say, is the content of the project, I use different animations and stuff.
Okay, I have a follow-up question. Like I want to build an e-commerce website, and in the banner section, I want to use a like slider. So in this
Mhm.
slider feature, like my requirement is it will autoplay, like it will move freely. Then free mode. Then I want to delay like 2 second or 3 second. So
Mhm.
all of these things are like can be customizable in the sweeper.
Yes, we can customize the autoplay. That
And
means
another thing, I
there
want to
is.
use the pagination also, like
Yes,
that.
we have the, yes, Swiper has both the pagination and navigation, and the pagination buttons are also customizable just as navigation buttons. And for autoplay, we can just say autoplay true, and it will take the custom delay time. But if we want to add some custom delay, like we want 2 second delay, we can just pass the autoplay, then double parentheses, and we can just write the whatever the delay is. Like for example, I used delay 3000 for the banner section in the e-commerce.
Like my question was like we can use them in a like one project, like in a one sweeper slider, like at a time.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay.